Okay, so in this video, I'll be discussing why it's better to work with a probate specialist, right? Now, probate is it's a process in which you're settling a loved one's estate, just in the layman's term. It's all of the business that you have to handle after someone transitions, right? A probate specialist is somebody who knows about the process and the best way to navigate it, right? So in this video, I'll list 3 reasons why it's better to work with a probate specialist when you're handling an estate, right? Reason number 1 is speaking the language, right? There's a lot of good real estate agents out here, a lot of good realtors, a lot of good real estate professionals, a lot of great investors, people doing good business, right? But people have niches, right? So a lot of times when you have something going on with your foot, I think a podiatrist handles like foot problems, right? It's cool to go into somebody who does like a general practice, right? But it's better when there's something wrong with your foot. You get what I'm saying? So me speaking the language and being familiar with the process helps you in turn as my client because I'm able to tell you, okay, this means this from what I understand in layman's terms as a non-legal professional, as a non-tax professional, but as a real estate professional, okay, this is what this means in layman's terms, and this is how you go about it. If I don't know the answer, I know how to translate what you're asking me and then bring you to a professional that can answer your question, which leads me to reason number 2 is coordinating with attorneys, right? So a lot of times people feel as though the attorney will do everything for them, right? The attorney handle all the legal stuff, right? And helps you with the paperwork and can advise you on certain things. However, when you have another professional that you're working with side by side with the attorney that can speak the language a little bit, understand what they're saying, and kind of like work as like the person who could like the connector is great because now everybody's more on the same page. We don't have to teach as we're going. We're just going and we're just all helping you go towards the finish line, so to speak, right? Number 3, um, I personally have a designation called CPE. So CPEs are certified probate experts who have taken curriculum and continue to take curriculum or continue to um, go through a curriculum that is designed to help you navigate the probate process, right? So if you look up certified probate expert, you look up probate mastery, you can see that there's a community of people like me, that estate professionals who are helping people just like you who have recently inherited a home or handling a probate, right? So this is something that is very important because again, it just kind of speaks to my general theme of this video, which is working with somebody that has a solution for your specific situation, right? Which leads me to my bonus tip. I was only going to do 3, but I'm going to do 4, right? Is me being a solutionist and understanding what might be having something set up to where it's a one-stop shop. If you have recently inherited a home or you're navigating a probate process and you're thinking about selling a home, you could talk to me. And if I can't help you directly, I have somebody that can help you. So that kind of cuts the time in half or cuts it by 80%, whatever it looks like. It cuts the time that you have to spend already doing something that you've probably not only ever done, but something that's so sensitive is something that can have a bunch of different moving parts that involves family, that involves paperwork, that involves a bunch of jargon that you may or may not know about, right? So somebody that's just here to help you and just help you navigate and have that solution that's in your corner. So you definitely want to have that in all areas of life, but specifically in regards to settling an estate, you want to have a solutionist on your side that's going to help you get to the end goal, right? So if you guys have inherited a property recently and you're thinking about selling, just text me 973-352-7792 and I'll text you back. We'll kind of coordinate and see when is the best time to talk. You'll let me know what's going on. I'll let you know what I think as a non-legal professional you should do next, and who you can get in contact with that'll help you kind of navigate these new waters that you may be embarking through, if that makes sense. Thank you guys for watching. Khaled with Probate Property Playbook out.